Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here's your daily update for Bitcoin. Today we have a lot of things to talk about. One thing is really important, guys. We have a big line. We need to fight back this line. It's really necessary to fight back. I will show you what line do I mean, and I will show you the next big targets to the upside and the support points to the downside. So guys, let's start this daily analysis now. And here we are. Here's CoinMarketCap. Let's take a quick look here on CoinMarketCap, what's going on with Bitcoin. And we can see Bitcoin is growing really nice. 50% in the plus in 7 days and 3.06% in 24 hours. You can see Ethereum is growing 21% in 7 days, but only 2.2%. If we are watching CoinMarketCap, every coin is green. That's really nice. That's really awesome. That's a nice picture. So if we are watching this overview, what can we see? First of all, Bitcoin is very bullish, 90.3% bullish. Ethereum is very bullish, 90.3%. The Binance coin is also really bullish, 87.7%, and Cardano, ADA, 85%. We are watching here the top 20 coins, and what coin on the top 20 is the best performing coin? Yes, it's Shiba. It's Shiba Inu. The meme coin is the most most upgoing coin with 23.3%. After this is XRP 15% and AVAX with 7%, Dodge 6.8%, Algo 5.5%. If we are watching the other side, what is the baddest performing coin? We can see a Near Protocol is going up only 0.65%, Ethereum only 2.2%, Phantom 2.4%, and Bitcoin 2.6%. So these coins are not performing so good as the other coins, and that's really interesting to watch. For the moment, we have a really nice upgoing price for Shiba Inu, XRP. That coins are going really nice up to that. So, okay, this is a nice overview. I think that's really important. If you take a quick look on this picture, you can see a lot of things. Now let's check the Bitcoin price prediction. This was the last one for about 2 days. We saw here we will go up maybe a little bit more. Yes, it was a perfect prediction. It was really right. After this, we will go down maybe. So let me check. 43,000 maybe to the upside. After this, 40,600. Let's refresh the picture. And yes, it's the same picture. Okay, guys, it was the same picture. Sorry for this. 43,000. Maybe we can go up a little bit more, and maybe we will see on February the 11th 40,500. That's possible. That's telling us the Bitcoin price prediction here for CoinCodex. We can see this sentiment is neutral, but we are bullish with 59% and bearish only with 41%. Support points to the downside 41.5, 40,800, and 40,300. The upside 42.8, 43.2, and 44,000. That's the biggest resistance for the moment here to the upside. So everything is looking nice now for Bitcoin. CoinCodex is also telling us, yes, everything is okay. Let's watch the Bitcoin price prediction. What can we see? We can see we have on the 1 hour time frame a golden cross. That's really bullish for the market cap dominance, not for the price, but for the market cap dominance, guys. That means maybe we will see here soon a nice pump to the upside for Bitcoin. This would be maybe the time to trade Bitcoin and not the altcoins. For the moment, we are going down a little bit and we are under both of these lines. Now, let's check this one. This is the 15-minute time frame. What can we see here? Yes, first of all, this was the last thing since I showed you this for about 2 days, and I told you guys, attention, we are fighting here 0.236 Fibonacci line. It's a really big resistance, and we fight it here for about 2 days, and after this we broke out to the upside. We spoke about this in my live stream. I showed you guys, attention, we are buying the next diamond pattern, and the possibility that we will break out to the upside is 60% in my opinion. That we will go down only 40%. What happened? Yes, we saw a nice up-breaking diamond pattern to the upside. But now we are again on a big resistance, the big resistance. Why it is a big resistance? I can show you this. It's the end line of the parallel channel. We need to fight over this. We need to fight back 43,300. I will show you soon why 43,300. And the big thing is now, can we break out from this uptrend channel or will we go down? No. Big question. So let me remove all these drawings and let me check here something for you. Let's remove this one, and this one. Okay, we have now a clear picture on the 15-minute time frame. Big question is, What pattern are we forming for the moment? What's going on? Let's check the lines. And after this, let me check here this one. A line from the downside to the upside, like this one. That's our baseline, our support line. A line from here to here, that's our upper trend line. And now I can see we are forming a broadening rising wedge. Again, that's maybe we need to watch, guys. That's maybe a bearish thing, because let me show you this one here. We saw here the line from the downside to the upside, and also a line from here to the downside. It was a falling rising wedge. We broke out to the upside. Now we are building rising broadening wedge. So we need to watch what's going on, guys. Can we fight over this big resistance? Can we fight back? Can we fight out of this parallel channel to the upside? That's a big question, like this one here. Maybe up to this point. I tell you now why it is, in my opinion, one of the biggest things to watch, 43,300, because it was the peak here on this point. This is, in my opinion, one of the most important stuffs now. As long as we are under 43,300, we are making a lower high. That's not good. We need to make a higher one, guys. Really important here on a 50-minute. So you know now something about the 50-minute time frame, but I would like to show you a little bit more here. So what's going on here? This point. So if we're going down, guys, maybe here is the next big point to watch, because it's the trend line to the downside. And after this, we have a lot of supports. Look at this. So much support lines, middle line of the parallel channel, Fibonacci lines, and so on and so on. A lot of support on the downside and a big resistance on the upside. As always, the big question is, guys, will we break out to the upside or to the downside? I am not so ultra bullish for the moment. I think it's possible to take a little bit press here, and we will go down a little bit more. Why? Because we are building this little parallel channel to the upside. We see now the fight here, and we have not much time here, guys. I think we should see a decision here really soon. We are fighting with these resistances, and we are fighting also with the bottom line of this uptrend channel. So big question. In the next few hours, maybe, can we break up or down? Okay. Let's zoom out more and more. You know the targets to the downside. You can see the Fibonacci lines. You notice the resistances to the upside. You know now everything. Let's check the RSI on the 50-minute time frame. It's not so important to watch. You can see we are not overbought, not oversold. Let's remove it. Let's check the daily. The 1 hour time. On the 1 hour time frame, we saw an overbought RSI. What's frightening me a little bit here is this one, that we are going down with the RSI on the 1 hour time frame, and we are going up with the price. That's a divergence, and that's maybe a bad sign, guys. We need to watch. First of all, check the Fibonacci lines here. We saw a big fight with the 0.236 Fibonacci line, 41,400 2 days ago, and then a nice breakout to the upside. Where's the next Fibonacci? Here on the upside, 46,600. That's the 0.382 Fibonacci line. Next big target to the upside. If we can break out from this damn resistances here, we will see maybe a next quick jump to the upside. Maybe it can go really quick to 46,600. So RSI is going down. Here we can see it. The price is going down. The RSI, relative strength index, is going down, and the price for Bitcoin is going up. That's a divergence. That's not good. We need to watch this. Maybe this is maybe a sign for next downgoing Bitcoin. We need to watch. So that's the 1 hour time frame. Let me show you the ribbon band, and let me show you this one here. The ribbon band is a nice green support here. It's coming from the downside, and yes, we have here confirmed closing candles over the ribbon band. Everything is okay, and we need this ribbon band as a support. And you can see it's now a really hard fight. Ribbon band is the underside, is on the other side, on the underside. MA20, the white line, is here also on 42,300. Big support. And yes, of course, a lot of resistance on that 4 hour time frame. What is telling us this one? Yes, ribbon band is not interesting. MA20 is not so interesting. We have a lot of space to the downside. Maybe we can go back to 41,400. Here's the ribbon band and the MA20. And what can we see if you're watching the RSI? Really interesting. It's not going down like on the 1 hour time frame. It's going sideways, and we are overbought. We are overbought, and that's also really dangerous now. We have a lot of bearish signs if we're watching overbought RSI, bearish divergence, and so on and so on. We need to watch this, guys. You can see we broke the RSI to the upside. We saw here a retest. After this, we went up to the upside. Okay, everything is okay. Everything is working, but we are overbought. We need to watch this. Not on the daily, On the daily, everything is okay. But here's also a but. We are fighting in the ribbon band. What do we need? Guys, we need a confirmed closing candle over the ribbon band. Why? Look at this. Look at this damn downtrend here. And since long time, we really never saw a confirmed closing candle over the ribbon band. That's the next big stuff here. We need to make now a next confirmed closing candle over the ribbon band. As long as we are fighting in the ribbon band, I'm a little bit in danger. I'm a little bit in, how should I say, guys? Not so over bullish, not so over bullish as a lot of Bitcoin guys here on YouTube, on Twitch. I'm not so extreme bullish because we need to fight back the ribbon band first, in my opinion. So, EMA 200, price about 46,800. You can see it here. It's a big resistance. And yes, you can see on the 1-day time frame, we have a lot of resistance. Ichimoku, what is telling us the Ichimoku? And yes, you can see a lot of lines. I know it. Let's remove this stuff. It's better now. We can see, first of all, we saw a cross. The blue line is now over the red line for the Ichimoku. That's really nice, guys. We are over both of these two lines. That's really important. We are over the 9 lengths Ichimoku and the 26 lengths. Nice. MA20, you also can see it here. Really nice. And golden cross and death cross, yes, that's the big fight now. And this is the thing what I thought about starting this video, guys. In my opinion, this green line, this poison green line is now our big resistance. It's our big monster. We need to fight back this monster. We need to fight back this green line. That's the SMA 50. And this is the important fight now for the daily time frame, in my opinion. Can we see a confirmed closing candle over this green beast? Or will we go down from here? Will we be rejected from here? That's the big question now. So that's this stuff on the day. 4 hour, yes, everything is good. And at the 4 hour, I have some positive news. Maybe, sorry. So that's the important thing now, guys. What I would like to tell you, this is maybe the next golden cross on the 4 hour time frame. This would be a really bullish sign. But first of all, we need to cross the green line or the red line. That would be the next golden cross. We need to watch this one. MA20 is here as a nice support. Everything is okay. We are still in a death cross zone, but we have both lines here now as a support, the red line and the green one. And on the 1 hour time frame, you can see, yes, we are still in the golden cross. We are over the green line. It's a nice support. It was a nice reaction for Bitcoin on this green line, and we jumped up to the upside. Really good. Everything is okay. Everything is working. Everything is, you know, now the important beasts, the important resistance beasts here on the upside. You know, our supports, our live supports to the downside, and you know now everything. I think you know everything you need to know here for Bitcoin for the next day, for this day, or for tomorrow maybe. Guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. I hope you will make millions with your trades. Doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short, and very important, I'm not a financial advisor. Bye-bye.